Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Paramount Plus and Apple TV. Paramount Plus and Apple TV Plus are streaming services, but they cater to different audiences and have distinct content offerings. Paramount Plus is a streaming service offering a mix of classic and new content from CBS, Nickelodeon, MTV, Comedy Central, and Paramount Pictures. It includes NFL games, UEFA Champions League, and NCAA March Madness, making it a great option for sports fans. However, the cheaper plan includes ads, and to go ad-free, you need to upgrade to a more expensive tier. The Apple TV was Apple's first attempt at a digital media player designed to stream content from iTunes, YouTube, and local media libraries to a connected television. One major advantage of the first generation of Apple TV was its ability to store media locally, allowing users to watch movies and TV shows. A significant drawback was its reliance on iTunes syncing, making it less flexible than later streaming-based models. In my opinion, Apple TV Plus is better for high-quality original content, while Paramount Plus is better for variety, live sports, and classic franchises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.